Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to study next topic of periodic classification of elements. In 1913, Henry Moseley showed that the atomic number of an element is a more fundamental property than its atomic mass. We know that atomic number means the number of protons in the nucleus of an atom, and this number increases by 1 in going from one element to the next. For example, we can take the first four members: hydrogen, helium, lithium and beryllium. Hydrogen, its atomic number is 1. That means it contains 1 proton. And helium atomic number 2. It contains 2 protons. And lithium 3. And beryllium contains 4 protons. And Moseley believed that characteristics of elements are based on atomic numbers and not atomic masses. Accordingly, Mendeley's periodic law was modified and atomic number was adopted as the basis of modern periodic table. And modern periodic law states that properties of elements are periodic function of their atomic numbers. This is modern periodic table. Now let us discuss how this modern periodic table overcoming the limitations of Mendeleev's table. Do you remember what are the limitations of Mendeleev's periodic table? Yes, the first one is position of hydrogen. In the modern periodic table, we can see that hydrogen belongs in first group. And the second one is position of isotopes. Do you remember what are isotopes? Isotopes are the atoms of the same element with a different number of neutrons. That means they contain same number of protons and different number of neutrons. We know that this modern periodic table is based on atomic number, not based on atomic masses. So atomic number means number of protons. There is no important for number of neutrons. Now let us discuss one example. Here one element is A and it has 3 possible isotopes. For example, chlorine, we can take chlorine. Chlorine, its atomic number is same but they have different mass number, that is 35 and 37. So how can we place this one? We can place these chlorine together. And third limitation is prediction and placement of undiscovered elements. We know that Mendeley's periodic table is based on atomic mass, but it is not arranged in an increasing order. Mendeleev had to place an element with a slightly greater atomic mass before an element with a slightly lower atomic mass. Now we can discuss how this limitation is overcome by Moseley's modern periodic table. Let us discuss about 2 elements. E1 is the first element and its atomic mass is 300 and E2 atomic mass 297. But the E2 is placed after E1. But later we discovered element E3 which has atomic mass 299. So how can we place this 299? That means E3 element without disturbing the other element. But here this is overcome by Moseley because here the elements are arranged not based on atomic mass. Here elements are arranged by increasing their atomic number. So the newly discovered element we can place in periodic table without disturbing other elements, because the atomic number of elements is increasing order in modern periodic table. Now this is modern periodic table. We can say that this modern periodic table is based on modern periodic law. That means it states that properties of elements are periodic function of their atomic number. Not atomic mass, here atomic number. We can discuss the properties of modern periodic table in our next classes. Okay dears, thank you.